Hello, everyone. Welcome to our second video that we are going to add to our channel's algebra playlist. Yes, you might see that my channel's name is Kepler 69C 375 Mathematics because we're doing math. Yes, and so my channel has already grown a little bit. So we already have our geometry playlist. Now we'll have our algebra playlist. This is the second video. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to go over integer exponents, okay? And of course, algebraic expressions. Let's get started. Okay, yes, welcome to the second video for the algebra playlist. And you might see they have a little thing here. Yeah, so here's student A. Student A solved this expression. This expression is what he solved. And so you see, this student B, solved this expression. They look similar, right? Yes, right here. Both students have equivalent and correct answers. This means that 3 and -3 are both common factors of -12x minus 3. Okay? You get it? Now let's move on. Yes. Let's see. Yes, today's topic is algebraic expressions and solving complex two-step equations. Yes. So here, the information here, it says algebraic expressions are similar to numerical expressions, except they have at least one letter or variable. You might see a variable is like X, Y, Z. It can be anything. And you might see the Pythagorean theorem has variables A squared, B squared, and C squared. You see, these are all variables, of course. So a variable is like an unknown number, basically. Okay, now here we have so here we have algebraic expressions here. So okay, sorry. Okay, so remember that positive exponents mean repeated multiplication and negative exponents mean repeated division. Okay, so here we have, sorry. This means that an expression raised, yes. So an expression raised to a negative exponent can be rewritten so that the exponent is positive by taking the reciprocal of the base. So let me show you what a reciprocal is. Picture 1/3. Yes, picture 1/3. The reciprocal would mean switching the fraction upside down to 3/1, which of course equals to 3 So now let's move on here. So we have 5 cubed, which equals to 5 times 5 times 5, which equals to 125. So, so here, this is a positive exponent. Here we have a negative exponent. So here we have 5 exponent negative 3, which means we multiply negative 5 3 times. Negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 is equal to negative 125. And here is an example here. So here the base is x and 3 is the exponent, okay? Yeah, so now let's move on with our presentation, okay? So let's move on. Yes, I want to make it quick so that we can publish our video. Okay, so now we are on the first question. So here it says simplify the two expressions shown below. So let's do it here. So it so you it so you so here we have 4 squared plus 5 squared with cubed. Okay, so now we can solve that here. Wait, so let me change the color. So here we have wait, let's change the color to white. So here let's put 4 squared plus 5 squared. Yes, you can see that it's very similar to the Pythagorean theorem, right? So it's like a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so then we have a second expression, but let's solve the first expression first. Okay, so here we have 4 squared, that's 16. So 16 we'll write here. 5 squared is 25. We'll write 25. And then we'll have exponent 3. Okay, so let me help you guys solve this. Oh, okay, because I'm an expert at this kind of stuff. Okay, so here we have 4 squared. Yes, so then we have times that. Yes, cubed. And then we have an answer of 68,921. Of course, everyone. Well, some people think that I'm not smart enough to actually do this stuff, but actually, like most other people say they're wrong because I actually try as hard as I can to learn as much stuff as I can so I can actually present it. Okay, it doesn't matter who or what I am. It matters the most of what I am. Okay? Yeah, so here, yes, we actually don't need to solve the second expression. Okay? Yes. So we have an answer of 68,921. Okay, now let's move on to the next problem. Okay? Let's move on. Yes, now we have a different one here. So let's start solving here. Yes, I'll go at the right pace if you guys want me to. Okay, so here we have 4 squared over 5 squared cubed. I'm gonna spell that. Okay, so here we have 16. Yeah, so 16 is right here. I'm gonna Yeah, so here we have now we have 25. Nice. I'm gonna tell so here we have Yeah, here, so here we have yeah, so we get an answer of to 4,096 over 15,625. Yeah, so here now you have an answer of this. Amazing job. Okay, now let's move on to our review. So we can make a summary of all the information we learned about. Okay, remember that algebraic expressions are similar to numerical expressions. Algebraic expressions have at least one variable. Numerical expressions are mostly numbers. Okay, Tom, for that, so to positive exponent hence into repeated multiplication to negative exponent hence means repeated division. This expression means that this means that an expression raised to a negative exponent can be rewritten so that the exponent is positive by taking the reciprocal of the base. And remember, a reciprocal is switching over a fraction, okay?